Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Life with B. I am B, of course. Obviously, please subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment, a nice comment, and share the video with your friends and family. And okay, so today's video is a vlog. You might have seen the last few clips. I did laundry and I showered. I'll show you guys the things I bought from Pep first, okay? Okay. So I bought this comforter for $2.70, and I bought these hangers, a set of 5 for 20 rand. 20 rand. And I bought this base cover for 60 rand. Yes. I bought this little thing at 1 by 1 for it was 30 rand. Yes. Also bought this 2 pillows for 150 both at I forgot where I bought it. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys after cleaning. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video so much that you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment. Bye.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mother in New York, the shell. All my bitches, bitches, Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna go to the girl, maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going.
I just wanted to show you guys this cute lunch box. Oh, this cute lunch box from ShopRite. 30 rand, 2 of these. It's really cute. See this life of a book student, okay? Don't judge. Don't judge.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need my...
Yeah, mama. Woo. Yeah, mama.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? Put you waiting on look daddy, I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye, but I know I won't think twice. Better let go of your pride. No, now, just do it now. Oh yeah. When a nigga pull up on me, tell a nigga back. Don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could back?
I'm finally done after what? I think 4-5 hours. I don't know. But this is how my room looks. It's so pretty. I love the blankets, the what comforter thingy. Looks nice. Pretty, organized, clean. Really clean. How everything looks. It looks really. Now it feels like a home. Really? Pretty. I still have to buy groceries though. Haven't bought groceries for this month. I'll buy it in a few days. But this is how it looks now. I'm tired. I'm really tired. But at least everything is nice, packed. Everything looks good. As you can see, I'm tired. I have no issues anymore. But yeah, so I think now I'll just order food because I don't feel like cooking. I'm really tired. So yeah, I don't know when I'll talk to you guys, but maybe before I eat, I think. So see you in a few. Bye. So let me just eat. Just eat, guys. Talk to you later. Ooh.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing difficult. Let no, I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true, nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick, right around the slap me up the dick. Don't wanna fit, right around the world, you right around talking to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. That you do know, but we'll never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby. I'm trusting you, I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it, I want it, yeah. But never fall out of love with you.
So, as you can see, let us do an unboxing. Hi guys, hello everyone, hello. Didn't talk to you guys in the morning because I had a lot of things to do today. As you have seen the past few clips, I have a fridge. My fridge. I'm so happy. I am so happy and excited because this place now, we share fridges in this residence now, and it stays in one, like we share like 2 by 2, so it stays in one person's room, which is unfair obviously, because now I have to knock every hour or what. I want milk, I have to knock on someone's door every, like, so my things are currently next door. Just a few things. I didn't even want to buy a lot of things because I knew that I am sharing, and I don't even get, like, when I want my things, basically I have to knock every 5 minutes, so I just didn't buy a lot of things that needed the fridge. Yeah, until I waited. Oh, it was frustrating, and yeah, it was not nice, knowing that my things are in somebody else's room, someone I do not even know, but yeah, finally we have a fridge. I bought this fridge from Cash Crusaders. Yeah, it was 3,000 rands. I had other plans for the money. It's kind of like bittersweet because I had other plans, but it is what it is. It is what it is, honestly. So right now I'll show you guys the things that I bought from Macro, a few things, and then I won't be telling you guys the prices, because I'm really tired. I am really tired. Now I have to check the sleep, but just show you guys the things and pack it in the fridge, and some in the cupboards, just that. So I got tomatoes, carrots, bananas, apples, potatoes, avocados, and lemons, a coconut. I don't know why I'm laughing, but yogurt, cheese, peppers, bell peppers, grapes, red grapes. What is this? A class, something. Yeah, this Cadbury, whatever. Oh, and this cute. I bought this because I'm rewarding myself. It was a tough day, so this was a reward to me. We have this Maggi noodles, so that as a student, it's me. It doesn't need Oros shoes. 2 of these old I don't really like oats, but I am on a journey, some type of a journey. I'm trying to change how I eat. Yeah, oats. We'll see how it goes though. And there's a biggest peanut butter, and this cinnamon, muesli, whatever. I never ate this before, but yeah, as I said, I'm on a journey. I'm trying to change how I eat and everything, so we'll see how it goes. And this sauce from Cross and Blackwell type of vibe. And honey, never have I ever tasted honey, so I'm scared for this journey, but we're gonna get through it. Mayo, and 2 of these beans. As a student, you know, macaroni and almond. And spaghetti. So that is it. It's not really everything, but I think I'll buy other things tomorrow or Friday. I'm not sure, because I want to buy it online. I want to buy it online via the 60/60 checkers thing. I'll see how that goes. I want to add a few fruits and yeah, let's pack these for now.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the love for favor.
So here there's nothing for now because my things are next door. I'll take them later. For now I'm tired. Then
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my video. So I'm all dressed up, ready to go to campus. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. This is how it looks. I'm wearing this Adidas slide and I'm all dressed up, but now I am not sure if the class is at campus or online. Thank you, Zegangarankosi. I'm all dressed up for nothing. I'm not sure, just wanna check the update again. So I don't know. I'll update you guys later. I'm back from campus. Let's just do this grocery haul really fast because there's a lot of things that I need to do today. Bye.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. Bet you never could imagine. Never said you could have it. You needed me.
This is my vlog. Hi guys, hello. So guys, as you might have seen in the past few clips, oh, excuse the noise in the background. Sorry guys. I came back from campus. I had a client, so I did her nails. I don't know if I'm a nail tech, by the way. So I had a client, I did her nails, and then after that I cooked. Show you guys that I cooked, and then now I just wanna go shower, watch a movie and sleep. Cause tomorrow I have or tomorrow I'll be studying the whole day, just studying books, because on Saturday I have a test. Today it's Thursday, by the way. Tomorrow it's a Friday, and I want to study the whole day. It's nothing interesting. So yeah, I'm gonna close off the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. And if you've reached this far, please like the video, comment and subscribe to the channel. Okay, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, love you guys. Bye.